For FY 2025-26, that is, assessment year 2026-27, salaried individuals must file their income tax return by July 31, 2026. Everything happens on the portal at incometax.gov.in. And with the Income Tax Act 2025 in force from April 1st, 2026, the process stays largely the same, though some provisions have been renumbered. Here is your complete filing guide.
You must file if your gross total income exceeds the basic exemption limit. Under the new tax regime, the default since AY 2024-25, that limit is 3 lakhs for everyone. Under the old regime, it is 2.5 lakhs below 60, 3 lakhs for senior citizens, and 5 lakhs above 80. Even below the limit, filing helps you claim TDS refunds, apply for loans, support visa applications, and carry forward losses.
ITR 1, called Sahaj, suits resident individuals with income up to 50 lakh rupees from salary, one house property, and other sources like interest, with agricultural income up to 5,000 rupees. ITR 2 covers capital gains, multiple properties, or foreign income. ITR 3 is for business or professional income. ITR 4, Sugam, is for presumptive taxation under sections 44AD, 44ADA, or 44AE. The wrong form can get your return treated as defective.
Log in and download 2 documents first. The annual information statement shows your financial transactions as reported by third parties: salary, interest, dividends, property deals, high-value purchases. Form 26AS shows all TDS deducted, advance tax, and self-assessment tax paid. Cross-check both against your own records and resolve any mismatch before filing. Log in with your PAN as user ID, or register with PAN and Aadhaar if you are new. Select Assessment Year 2026-27, your ITR form, and your tax regime. Fill in personal details, including your bank account for the refund. Enter income, salary from Form 16, house property, capital gains, and other sources. If you chose the old regime, claim deductions like Section 80C up to 1.5 lakh rupees, 80D for health insurance, and 80E for education loan interest. Compute tax, pay any balance through the Challan facility, review, and submit.
Your return is not validly filed until it is verified, and you have 30 days. The fastest route is Aadhaar OTP, which takes under a minute. Net banking, bank account EVC, and DMAT EVC also work. Or post a signed ITR-V to the Centralized Processing Center in Bengaluru within the same 30 days. Map July 31st, 2026 for salaried and non-audit filers. August 31st for businesses and professionals without audit. October 31st for audit cases under Section 44AB. November 30 for transfer pricing cases. Miss your date, and a belated return is allowed until December 31, 2026, but with a late fee of up to 5,000 rupees under Section 234F, plus interest under Section 234A. A revised return can be filed until March 31, 2027. Download your AIS, pick the right form, file before July 31, and verify within 30 days. For more details, visit our website and subscribe.